Hi there, it's Sam from Pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today and for joining me in Pootles Advent Countdown. 24 projects coming out to you, 2 a week, all the way through and into December. Had loads, got a few to come. I can't remember what number we're on, but we've got some to come. And this is a great project for craft fairs. You can make them quickly, you can make a good amount of money from them because everybody loves a sweetie and they're just so cute. And look at our little reindeer with his glittery antlers and glittery nose. Super sweet. Now, inside, I've got these. These are rock sweeties. So if you don't know what rock is, very hard sweets that are generally, they're handmade. And so they start off with this lovely molten sugar, create the design in one long tube and then wrap the white round it, wrap the red and then roll it until it gets quite thin and it hardens, and they would smack it with a knife or a chisel like that to create all of these little individual rounds. But these are great, you can pick them up so cheap from Amazon. Rockin' Rudolph Rock Sweets. They do Father Christmas, they do snowmen, all sorts. Best before end of August 2019. Better get it this time. Okay, so I'm just going to grab a handful out, and I've got my little 2x8 inch cellophane bags, 5.1 by 20.3 centimetres. I'm going to have one of those. I don't want to overfill it. I think I got about 7 in there before. 1, 2... Shove those down with a pair of scissors. Maybe I only got 6 in. They're great though, aren't they? I mean, they would make lovely stocking fillers. Yes, 6, because you do need to fold over the top a little bit. So, yeah, 6. Did I get 6 in there before? 2, 4? Yeah, 6. 6 it is. With loads. Charge a couple of pounds. Always a winner. Right, I'm going to staple this shut. I have my stapler there. I wanted to bring it back. And then I've got some designer series paper. Now this is, I can't remember what it's called, but it's the annual catalogue one. So it's got this lovely check plaid design, and then you've got your reindeer, which are obviously upside down that way round. And then you've got the baubles and what have you. So I've taken mine to 2 inches by, oh, I don't know what that is, that's the metric side. 2 by 9.5, so 5 by, oh, about 24 centimetres. And I'm laying it on, and I'm going to roughly fold it over. And that's maybe a bit long, but I pulled out the wrong punch. I want my scallop punch. Scallop tag topper punch. That's the one I want. Oh, that's okay actually. Yeah, that's a good length because it, you know, makes it look like there's loads up the top. And then I've got, oh, I had it. So we've got these lovely paper clips. So we've got stars and Christmas trees. I put the Christmas tree on this one. I'm going to put a star on this one. So cute. There we go. That on there, and I've got, well, I don't really know what happened there. It's a piece of crumb cake that has been scored, but clearly at an angle. I've got some early espresso, and then I've got the cookie cutter stamp set, cookie cutter Christmas and matching punch. Now these came out a couple of years ago, I'm trying to think, and they are so popular. Everybody loves this set. I love it. Look how well used it is. Look, that one's even sticking to there as opposed to on here. I'm going to grab my reindeer, block, and you need to stamp your reindeer upside down because actually he fits into the legs. So stamp it upside down. Look how well loved this is. It's losing a bit of the mirror on there. Oh, that didn't come out very well. Let's make that dark. That's better. And then Wink of Stella to smush his nose about, because I want to blend out some of that. And I'm going to pick up, and I'm just going into one corner, and I don't know if you can see, it's just picked up on the tip, and I can paint his antlers in. Now, I didn't do this on the first one. And it's sort of watercolouring them. Can you see that? It's watercolouring and glittering at the same time. And if you just pick it up in the corner, you never put your ink pad or your stamp set into the corner. Nobody ever does. The other tip that I could give you would be take a clear block, splush it in, and then you've got ink on there. But I'm okay with that. Look, I'll pick it up and show you how it works. How cute is he? Glittery and shimmery. And that hasn't affected it at all, apart from the fact I've just stuck my finger in it. And then to clean it off, as you would an aqua painter, my Wink of Stella's clean again. Bravo. Right, and I've cleaned that on my stamping scrub. Right, lost the lid. There's the lid. Okay. Chattery over here. And then I'm going to use my little cookie cutter punch. Punch him out, and all of the elements as well, which I don't need. And let's grab the fast fuse because it's here. Down the legs, across the head. Insta Christmas gift. Very sweet. Craft fair bargain. You can make loads of those because you just obviously do all your stamping and your cutting and your filling and what have you. Make a load of them all in one go. Anyway, thank you ever so much for joining me. Hope to speak to you very soon. Bye.